As you guys can see, everything in the shop today really likes to party. We got turbos, and you guessed it, more turbos. This is Insanity, built by Nate at Blue Collar Performance. If you want to see a full breakdown of this entire build, swing over there to his page and subscribe and check it out. This is one sinister beast of a vehicle. And to me, I don't even know if it would classify as a vehicle. I mean, it's a twin turbo LS blow through carbureted go-kart. See how Nate's almost halfway out of the car? And it's because the drive shaft is inches from his ass with no barrier. Unfortunately, on the dyno, every time that car would get to right at 300 horsepower, the tires would start to light. So, did we get an accurate reading? No. Did Nate get it tuned enough for what he wanted to go do? Yes. And that's all he wanted. He wanted a load on the car. He didn't care about the numbers. Hopefully you've made it this far in the video. And if you have, definitely go over to Blue Collar Performance and click this thumbnail. Thanks.